So let us see what Nifty is trying to tell us. So this is the chart of Nifty, what we are seeing currently. Now as you can see, this is a resistance zone for Nifty, which is somewhere around 17,400. So this was the falling trend line which we had got in Nifty, and I can expect we are continuously making some higher moves on Nifty on the upside, where we are forming a doji candle, then again a high, doji candle, again a high. But my sense is we have already seen this breakdown over here. यहाँ पे हमने एक अच्छा खासा ब्रेकडाउन देखा था. तो my gut feeling is one should not be aggressively bullish at the current level. Don't place aggressive bets on the buy side. We are facing near a resistance zone. Even if today there is a gap up, we can see this gap up can come down again, and we can again see the support which has now been established somewhere close to these levels, which are 16,800, 16,700 zone. So my guess is no need to be aggressive long at the current levels. Once Nifty crosses 17,200, that is where the stability will come in. 17,200 is a very, very critical resistance zone for Nifty on the upside. We have already seen yesterday Nifty had formed a doji candle. Yesterday Nifty formed a doji candle, and now we are again seeing sell off from the higher end after an opening up. And even if everybody knows the worldwide Omicron cases, Omicron cases are increasing rapidly, and even in yesterday's data, India witnessed a sharp surge in the Omicron cases. So I think one needs to be careful since the spreading of the virus is going high. Market could be volatile in the near term. My sense is don't be aggressive long at the current level. 17,000 is my immediate support. Once that is breached, then we can head towards 16,800. My immediate support for Nifty stands at 17,000 on a technical basis, and once that is breached, then 16,800 could come in. So no need to be aggressive long at the current levels. So I will write down my immediate support and resistance as a protocol what we do. So my immediate support for Nifty is 17,000, and then it comes to 16,800. And my resistance is 17,100 and 17,200. These are my resistance zone which I have for Nifty on the upside. So I can probably say 16,800 to 17,200. This is a 400 point range. So I'll open the option chain. I think IT is somewhere supporting Nifty. So IT is super strong at the current levels. So if I talk about Nifty, I can see 17,000 put to be the strike where the highest open interest is built up. And as I said, 17,000 is a strong support zone, 1,20,000 open interest which has been built up. My immediate resistance on the upside is somewhere around 17,100, 17,200 zone. So these are my two critical resistance zone what I'm seeing on the upside on the derivative front, where 52,000 and 63,000 open interest is built up on the upside. So if I talk about derivative front, I can see 17,000 as a strong support where massive open interest is built up on the put side, and my resistance is 17,200. So both my technical and my derivative data are matching together when I do analysis of Nifty.
Register for our free webinar. Download our app today. Link in description.